Hello, I'm Danielle.
And I'm Davis.
And we're here with friends of the campus farm at the campus farm.
And today for our Earthfest workshop video, we're going to show you how to make fermented hot sauce with jalapenos grown right here on the farm. You can use any size jar. You just want to make sure it's cleaned out really well. You don't want any bad bacteria growing in your hot sauce. You can chop up your peppers with a knife, but what I find really easy is to just take a pair of kitchen scissors like this and do nice thin slices right into your jar. And that way you don't have to deal with as much cleanup and you're not going to get as much pepper on your skin.
So next up, you make your brine, and you do, for every 2 cups of water, a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt. Mix it up. Twice a week we harvest here and have lots of fun. And just like this salt is being integrated into this water, so will you be integrated with the campus farm. Wow. So then you let it sit for
2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, and then you make sure it's not fully sealed, like just enough that it's on the top. If you see growth, like mold or weird bubbles, don't eat it. Like, don't. But yeah.
And then so after you let it sit for 2 to 3 weeks, you make sure there's no growth at the top. You can just blend this all up. Take that volume and add an equal amount of vinegar, mix it together, and you've got your own homemade hot sauce.
Woo!
Fermented right here.
Yay.